Yo, look at this. Oh shit, let me stop at that. Kids and shit. That's beautiful. Did they finish it? Oh yeah, they're building for sure. This is beautiful. This Gabe is getting, wait, what are you getting? What? A muffler delete. Wait, can you tell them what type of like
the 2014 Honda Civic SI? It's a two-door coupe. I haven't really done anything to it. Modified the air box so it just sounds a little louder, but I'm gonna go get a muffler delete.
But this shit is fast as fuck. Like
it's a 6-speed manual transmission.
6-speed? And I low-key want like a fucking, I want a manual, but I don't know how to drive that shit.
Ah, Jesus! Just throw some fucking ball!
I don't know. So much, like there's more shit to look at, you know? College. Oh yeah.
There's like 6 or 8 buildings that make up the edge.
I ain't for the cap. It feel good as fuck. Oh, that's the fit today. That's the fit. But yeah, he's getting his muffler delete. I don't really know much about that shit. I do, but I don't. Oh, this is his. This is what he's getting. I'm gonna see if he can. I mean, not getting. He already has it. Here's soda. Y'all gotta at least hear this.
Son of a bitch. I haven't even tried it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think he's. Oh my god. Big difference.
Fucking Christ, almost got
Big
slapped.
difference.
See that?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do y'all hear that? Hooters.
A conversation.
Just like how the mufflers on it, there's another different type of mic in the middle. Mufflers for sound, I'm pretty sure the resonators for vibration.
What do you mean?
Like an idle? Yeah!
How? Wait, how? How did?
He said yo.
But who?
That guy in that truck.
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
Something like that.
My back camera's kind of fucked, but this is what it looks like. It sounds so good. You know what I mean?
You hear that?
Crack.
That was loud as fuck.
I'm telling you, you probably gotta warm it up. That's beautiful. That's a Jaguar. I just can't. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, traffic is. Like, look. He can see right there. Man, that's fire. That's fire as hell. not done with this road, are they?
Hopefully not.
He said hopefully.